Hey guys, it's Mac here from Cryptstar Staking. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of an app called Nexo. Now Nexo is a software wallet. You can go ahead and you don't stake your coins, however it's a lending platform where you can earn interest on your crypto. Now this is a very popular app and we can get a huge user base for Tezos if we can get listed on there. Now the good news is Tezos is up for vote on the Nexo platform. So if you can go ahead and vote for Tezos on the Nexo platform and we get listed, you can go ahead and earn interest on your Tezos aside from staking. Now, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys how to vote for Tezos on the Nexo wallet. Here we go. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope to see you next time.